So, in this next lecture, guys, we're going to set up the Vulkan API in our IDE. So, in order to set up the Vulkan API in our IDE, we'll just go to a browser and you'll just type Vulkan SDK in the search bar, or you can just paste in this link in the URL bar, and you'll just be over here. Then scroll down, and you'll get the download the Vulkan API or Vulkan SDK button over here. Just click on this, and it will download the Vulkan SDK for you guys. Okay, and once you are done with it, then you can go to the folder and extract the you can extract the uh, RAR file, and it will give you something like this. Then you can come over here and you can see that include folder, the lib folder. These two folders are actually the folders of the sun. So what an include file is all the include, or I'd say header files, whereas in the lib folder there are library files or lib files. So what we'll do is that we'll go to the include file, just copy all of this shit and over here into the this project directory, and the VK dependencies. We already have a welcome folder. Just going to delete this to ensure that we've done everything from the start. New folder, include, and new folder as lib. Now, include folder, we're just going to paste it, and we are done with pasting this. And once this is done with pasting, go back to lib folder, and we'll go to the Vulkan SDK again. Go back to the lib, copy all these libraries. Once you're done with it, go to lib, paste it in here, and we are done with pasting in the Vulkan project lib library files. We're done. Go back, and I should delete these both as well. They're not. There we are. Deleted. Okay, so this is set up, right? Vulkan is set up. Now what we'll do is that go to our project, right click on this, properties, and make sure it's in all configurations and all performs. After that, you can go to the C++ general, include directories, and this thing. Then new line, browse, go back, weaker dependencies, Vulkan, and include, and just select the folder. Once you're done with it, now just click on this, grab back, clear it, and there it is. After that, dollar and solution directory. And this is done. You'll click OK and apply. Okay, now go to link up, general, additional library directories, click on edit, and new line, over here, go back, you get dependencies, Vulkan, lib, and just click on select folder, clear all the shit, and dollar solution directory, done, okay, apply this. Now go to input, additional dependencies, and here we will write the name of the Vulkan library. Okay, so what do you mean by the Vulkan library? Let me show you. Well, we'll write in this name over there, right? Just rename and copy this name and go to project, just paste it here, okay, apply, and okay. And now you can just test this by writing this include and Vulkan, and it ensures that the library is correctly included. Okay, so our Vulkan library including in our IDE is done. So view them, and we are done.